Hey, that's Mike and Holly, Alex, Eddie, and Chelsea.
All right, so we are at Walmart. Dude, their Easter stuff is 90% off. So this is only like 49 cents for this Infinity War. And I've been wanting, I almost bought this at full price, this unicorn bucket. I'll show it to you later because Chelsea's filling them up now. But like all this stuff is 90% off. And I'm like, oh my gosh. We could always put toys in buckets, right? Yeah. I wanted that so bad, and they have a few of them left over, so I'm getting one. Do you want to go to the fishing aisle? Get you a fish hook and a bobber so we can finally try your fishing pole? Finally, right? Yeah.
Sorry, I'm so excited.
All right, 12 pack of bobbers and little hooks for Chelsea.
Oh, one's kind of big.
Yeah,
Maybe
one is
that's
big.
for the big fish, and the other ones are tiny.
Oh.
For the tiniest fish.
Yeah, you're gonna catch us fish for dinner. They have worms for sale. We could totally get worms here.
For my fishing
Yeah.
rod.
I don't know if you want to keep them in the refrigerator though.
Stretch it.
Pull. It's like
It's
the
my
new Stretch Armstrong.
That she keeps asking to play with.
Oh really?
No, it's mine.
Because she wants yours.
Yeah,
She doesn't
but
want
that's
that
the same
one.
thing.
I just realized there's a great big Avengers the thing in the middle. I need to go look at that stuff. Chelsea loves all the American Girl type stuff. You have that! Oh my goodness. They have a little DJ record. No, be a DJ. Make some sounds for us.
Oh my gosh.
Drop a beat. They even have a karaoke machine. You could sing karaoke.
Time for grocery haul.
Almond milk.
Almond milk for mommy.
Regular milk for us for the morning.
Yeah.
Granola bar.
Granola.
Granola.
Granola bars.
I can't really tell if the names are bad. What the heck? Is this what?
You don't know what that is?
Celery?
Celery.
Sugar almonds.
No, sea
Salt.
Salted almonds.
Ew.
What is it?
Mom's coffee powder.
Coffee, mate. Yep, coffee powder.
Oranges.
Mandarin orange.
Waffles. Because I'm eating the waffles at night too. Or in the morning.
You know what those are?
Taco bread.
Yeah, soft taco bread, tortillas.
My green. It's not shaving cream though. Bread. The good bread.
It's not, we call it the good bread because it's the bakery bread.
Good bread.
Good
I'm
bread.
trying a new water.
Okay. What are they?
Are they those like little cooked up cereal?
Cooked up.
Cereal?
Chocolate ones we have.
Oh yeah.
These are apple cinnamon.
Ooh, yum.
I'll try those.
Rice cakes.
My bagel.
Chelsea's been wanting bagels.
My chocolate.
Daddy got chocolate. I guess you're liking that kind, huh?
Huh? It's good.
The
I mean,
meat.
The meats. The meats.
for beef broccoli.
Oh, this is something different.
Smell.
She's not sure about that. Michael picked up a rotisserie chicken for dinner tonight. We don't usually have those. I can't remember the last time we had one of those. Yeah.
Toilet paper.
I guess that's it.
And then mommy got things like shave gel and wipes, hand wipes, sanitizer, stuff like that. Kind of have
help
to.
Dad put away the stuff.
Okay.
Right?
Yep.
All right, big helper.
We've got a new path. I know. Holly said she couldn't keep walking around because she was getting dizzy. So now we've created a new path. We're doing the figure 8. Getting our steps in. You had a lot of steps today already. I think you had over 1,000 steps. Yep.
I hit over 10.
You got your 10.
I don't have my Fitbit on right now.
Yeah. I did 17,000 steps today. I've actually reached my, oh, you're gonna run. I've reached my lowest weight since I started and since I can remember, maybe since Holly was pregnant with Chelsea, I don't think I've been this late. So I'm down to 166.4, which, I mean, I've lost 8 to 9 pounds since we started in January. So pretty pumped. I'm doing good, losing weight, trimming down, eating better, getting in better shape, doing all the good stuff you're supposed to do, right?
But you have an icy.
Oh, curse you. Yeah, I stopped at the gas station after we went to Walmart because it's hot. When our truck sits out there in the heat, it was 88 degrees. It's hot. When you get in the truck, you're just really thirsty. So we stopped at the gas station and got an icy. You know, that's 3 days in a row we've had ices. 3 days in a row. Target, and the gas station. We don't even go to 7-Eleven anymore. Like, there's some that are local. We usually don't go there. Oh, that's all yuckiness now.
What?
Dude, here, I'll flip the screen up. Do it again. All you see is one little tooth. That tooth is hanging on.
Still there.
Yeah, it's getting looser though. Now it hangs forward. It kind of leans forward.
You know her permanent tooth is coming in behind the one next to it. So both of those front permanent teeth are ready to come in.
What?
You got one little tooth that's poking out.
What?
Yoink!
Don't even. Don't you even.
Look what just happened. Her tooth came out. We were laying in bed because it's bedtime. And she was, I guess, just laying there fiddling with it. And she, oh my gosh. She jumps out of bed and my tooth came out.
Missing a tooth.
Now your smile is different.
Hockey player.
Oh.
Alex has to see this.
Oh my gosh, it's so exciting.
Look at how tiny it is.
And she scared me because she's like, Mom, oh my gosh, it came
I
out.
wonder if the tooth
Wow,
fairy's
finally.
gonna come.
Can I see inside there? The squeamish look away. Oh, yeah. Wow. Look at you. You look totally different.
Want to go eat some corn on the cob now?
She,
Yeah, been able to do the past few days.
well, you had corn on the cob, yes, today? 3
days.
days? And she's like, well, you cut it off for me. She was
3
afraid
days.
to bite into
Yeah.
it. Now the one next to it needs to be wiggled. You can start on that one. Sound good? Take a look at yourself in the mirror without your tooth.
I look totally weird.
You look different, huh? What do you think?
I need to wash my mouth out.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's itty bitty.
Oh, whoa.
Anything to get out of bedtime, huh? Like, wait, I gotta lose it too. Hey, Charles. So we have, if you guys have watched us for a while, I ordered these little tooth fairy pillows for all the kids in the family. And you put your little tooth in the shell. The little, Elias has Star Wars. Anna has, I think, My Little Pony. No, Emmy has My Little Pony. I don't know what Anna's is. And then you put it on your door, and at night the tooth fairy comes and puts money in the back pocket. So you want to go hang that on your door? So it's all, oh my goodness, the drama. Yeah.
Should probably clean it off.
Oh,
It's okay.
I think it's all right.
Oh,
Uh,
step on it.
oh no, where did it go? Like nobody moved.
Oh, there you
You
go.
stepped on
Oh,
it?
no, it's next to
No,
you.
no.
It's
Right
yeah,
there.
right there.
There you go. All right, take your little tooth and put it in the little pocket.
There might be blood on my hand.
Jesse's like, yeah. Tuck it in there so it doesn't fall out. Maybe just,
Squish it in all the way.
yeah, maybe push it in a
I
little
want to
more.
make sure that
There we
tooth fairy
go.
can still get it.
She'll be
Yeah,
able to get it.
she'll be able to get it. All right, go hang it on the outside of your door. There you go. She'll come inspect it and see if it's valuable. See if she'll leave you some money. Congratulations! Chelsea is doing a reenactment of what happened. Imagine I'm laying down next to her snuggling, okay, and
My eyes were open, so.
action.
I just came out! Mom, I just came out!
It came out. No, you were yelling, it came out, my tooth came out.